Hello everybody, my name is GamerHawk. Welcome back to another Roblox adventure. This time I'm playing hide and seek extreme. So it's a hide and seek game. Like you have to hide from it, and as you can see here, like every single time this thing stops, that's who's gonna be the it person, and that must be me. Come on, I just started. Okay, let's see how you play this. Wait, where am I? Hello? Wait. I'm in the ice? Bye! You froze up my spider. Get him out of there. Oh, that just sucks. So I have to just wait until people hide. Look at this bacon hair cheese ball over there. At my first try. I wonder what happens if I touch him. Do I have to touch him or do something? I never played this exactly. How many, does it show me, why are people just standing there? I can hear him say bye, bye. What is that? Bye. See, you hear it again. Ooh, shop. Bye. Bye. Okay. 4, 3. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Yo, oh, okay, you better get back over here. What's the camera for? Hey. Wait, where's that? Where is he? Oh, there she is. Get over here. Bye. So I get 5 credits. Bye. So what's the camera for? We're gonna have to, let me see. If I press this place, what would happen if I just place these cameras? Like, I could see them right there. Oh, so I get to, like, get over here. Stop jumping. Get over here. Got her. Alright. Whoa, this is some big place. Wow. Let me see if I... Oh, wait a minute. I know somebody's up here. No, they're not here. Come on. I only got 3 minutes. Or 2 seconds. Sucks, man. 2 minutes, I mean. Wait. Oh, there she is. Come here. I found you. Might as well stop hiding. Come here. No. You ain't running. I'm faster than you. Get over here. She breaks to pieces. Now that just... Wait a minute. I see somebody over there. Is that a flashlight? Yeah, that's a flashlight. Wait a minute. Oh, I see somebody in camera too, so... Let me just get... Okay. See? There goes the bacon hair cheese ball. Oh, I can't go through here? That sucks. Bye! Okay, if y'all didn't see my last video on Baldi's Basics, Introduction, and Learning. Wait, no, I got both of you. Did I got her? Whoa, I'm getting more money. Huh. But how you get up to the thing? You know. Get up there. No, cancel. Can't. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Ooh, Captain Underpants book. Hey, what's this? Oh, you got it. Oh! I can't find. Let me see. Wow. Can't turn. View my player. So I feel like they on the top. How do you get to Wait, there's a ladder. So they might be up here. Hold on. Like, I'm finna give up in this. Like, if I don't find any people. But I want to be the hider. The hider is a lot funner than a seeker. All you have to do is catch people. Wow, that spider really scared me. Oh, I found my really good hiding spot. If I could... Never mind. Okay, I will show y'all in the next game. Bye. Okay, we're at Ethan's bedroom. Please don't pick me as seeker. I don't feel like being a seeker. Clashers 2 OP. I guess so. Let's see. I can find a great hiding spot. Oh, I can spectate too. So
Bye.
there's a book. Okay, I'm not interested in getting all the money. Like I'm trying to find a hiding spot. Like every single time you get the money, like by the time it goes to 0, bro, you're screwed. Like I could just hide. Wait a minute. I wonder what happens if I could just hide right here. Excuse me, gamer boy. Like right here. Like there we go. Okay. Let's just wait until. Let's see. Oh my gosh, the secret's still not. I am still the pro at this. I mean, there's no way the secret could just come up here. And a big computer, earphones, books, and a teddy bear or whatever that is over there. An airplane? Ooh, I wanna ride it. Let me. What happens if I talk? Ooh. Ow. Okay. There goes the seeker. I see it. Wait, does he got the same Yep, he does. Is he coming after me? Yep, he probably is. Yep, he's coming up. He's coming up alright. Dude. Does he see me? I know he doesn't see me. I would start off running. There's no way he. Wait a minute. If he could just like go jump over here. He could be right here. I guess. Let's see. If I do, I will start running. Dude, you're focusing on the wrong person. Wait a minute. I don't know if he's there. I'm scared of what. Oh my gosh, he's still looking. There's no way nobody's here. Let me see. Ooh, big penguins. Let's go back to yeah. Oh man. Oh, that big banana. That was a banana over there. Oh, Baymax. And push the rope. Alright, I'm gonna like finish up this round. I'm such a cheater at this. I mean, I can't record more because if I record more, my storage will go out and my phone will be acting up. So. Okay. Dude, come up here. Come up here, noob. Wait, is he coming after him? Run, boy, run! Come over here. Come on, fat boy. Fat boy Slim. Okay, I'm gonna jump off right here so I can. Okay, let's just go to this portal. Oh. No, please don't leave me. Please don't leave me. Please don't leave me. There we go. I want to be with the pink. Wait, what? What's this say? Galaxy Zach. Hello, Dweeb. Here's a kid. There's a bunch of penguins. Penguins! Yay! I love penguins. Hi. Is he after me? No, he ain't. Oh my gosh, this dude's running from us. I wonder what happens if I stand on. Don't talk again. Oh, it's so cool. Standing on top of my own friends. My bird friends. Known as the King of Hawk. Dude. Okay. I almost got it. Is he coming after me? Dude, there's a rat hole in here. Dude. There's a spaceship, a dinosaur, T-Rex, a minion, flashlight, what are they? Paper, more books, and Baymax down there. Let me see what's on the other side. Ooh, a video game. Known as I'm the Gamer. And a plant. Wow, this kid got a lot of stuff. A teddy bear and a banana. Who sings the peanut butter jelly? So I gotta end this video right here, guys, because if I like wasted more storage, though, even though I will stay tuned for part 3 of my Roblox adventures, even though I will be playing Granny, known as a horror game. So thank you everybody for watching. Let me know right in the comments down below if y'all want me to play some more Roblox adventures. Check out my friend's channel known as the Call of X Gamer, and I forgot his